Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast. Fox 54 Weather.
Hurricane Ian continues to be the big story for the night tonight. Here is a loop of what it's looked like the past 8 hours. Notice it has decreased in strength quite a bit. We're talking about a Category 2 hurricane right now, maximum sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. Keep in mind, Ian made landfall right around 2:05 Central Standard Time as a major Category 4 hurricane of maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. When it was at its strongest, though, it was at 155 before making landfall. That is just 2 miles per hour shy of being a Category 5 hurricane. Here's what the latest track looks like. Like I said, Category 2 hurricane just to the south of Orlando will be moving through Orlando sometime in the overnight and into tomorrow. And it looks like it'll decrease in strength to a tropical storm. And it does appear to go back out into the Atlantic Ocean and make some sort of third landfall near Savannah, Georgia, Friday afternoon. By the time we get to Saturday afternoon, though, we're going to be talking about the remnants of Ian. But it will be bringing quite a lot of rainfall to South Carolina, North Carolina, even portions of eastern Tennessee, and of course, southeastern Georgia. I'll get to the impacts that we could potentially see here in just a moment. But areas shaded in red, that continues to be a hurricane warning. Areas shaded in blue, that is a tropical storm warning. But this has been extended farther to the north. Notice we do have areas shaded in yellow. That's tropical storm watch. Pink area is hurricane watch. So this applies to portions of South and North Carolina, mainly areas along the coastline. Here's what power outages look like county by county throughout the state of Florida. You can kind of tell where this thing made an exact landfall. Some counties almost seeing 100% of power outages, and I am expecting this to increase as we get through the overnight and into tomorrow. Here's what rain total accumulations look like. Now keep in mind, this is forecasted. This is going to last through Saturday. Some areas, especially in Florida, could see up to 20 inches of rainfall. Savannah, Georgia, just a little over 5.5. So these rain totals will vary as Ian continues to move to the north. Let's bring it all closer to home here in the Tennessee Valley. We're quiet, we're dry, we're seeing a clear sky. Notice some clouds starting to move into South Carolina and portions of Georgia. That is associated with Ian, but right now, we are not seeing anything. Temperatures in the upper 50s right now, 58 in Huntsville, 56 in Athens, 59 in Coleman. Checking on our eastern folks, 56 in Fort Payne, 59 in Scottsboro. As we get closer to the overnight, early tomorrow morning, temperatures expected to fall into the upper 40s once again. We'll continue to see a clear sky, and of course it is going to be chilly. That's how we'll start off your day tomorrow in the upper 40s. You will need a jacket. You'll be able to get rid of it by the afternoon. Mid-70s is where I'm thinking we're going to be headed. So I was talking earlier how we could potentially see some impacts. Now Saturday, we'll be talking about the remnants of Ian, but our extreme eastern counties could see some rainfall from it. So that's where the rain opportunities that I've got forecasted are coming from, and keep in mind it's just going to be isolated in nature, so about a 10 to a 20% chance of rain. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. Temperature is going to be staying in the 70s pretty much throughout this entire 7-day forecast. I don't have an 80-day forecasted, but notice temperature is going to drop back into the lower 70s come Sunday, and of course we'll rebound back near 80 once we get to this time next week where a few showers will be possible.